you know, do like the professional girlies. So I got me a Hi lovely ladies and everyone else. My name is Audrey Loveberry, and this is my channel. I do nail videos, lifestyle videos, and vlogs. On today's video, I wanted to share with you all what I got off of Shein and Amazon. So this is going to be a nail supply Shein / Amazon haul. So we'll start with the least amount of stuff, which is going to be Amazon. So watching a few people, this is the Shein package. I was watching a few people here on YouTube and TikTok, and one content creator, Nails by Cece, she had these nice brushes, and then she had like this ombre, a brush that she would use for her Aurora nails, and so I wanted to try that out. So I got this box, and the stuff that I got, I will link it below, and I believe I can link the stuff from Shein below as well. So this is a 31-piece nail art and design package. So it's my first time using these. So it comes with all of these here. Ooh, so these are cute. These are really cute. And I like the packaging. I like that they have their own little package. And then I got some more of these. They're longer. And I'm glad I have a lot of these because I can use one for like 3D, and then that can be just a 3D brush. And then I have more. So here are all the other brushes here. And this is the brush right here that I was talking about. And then you have these two. These are like acrylic brushes, I believe. Let me see. I really need to reorganize my nail cabinet and get more. So this is the brush that she was using for the Aurora, and she would just like go like this. And so I want to try that out with the Aurora. I think it's really cute. All right, so we reamped on more brushes. This out because I need to take a picture. So like that. So then I also got off, and that was out of Amazon. I also got more rhinestone glue off of Amazon. And this is from the Beetles brand. And so, you know, I have the, well, if you don't know, I have the tube. So I have the Marquise rhinestone glue. So this time I got the Beetles one, and it comes with the brushes as well. So more brushes. And then I got the Beetles rhinestone glue. So let's open it. Like that. I'm not gonna open it because I think it's gonna be messy, so I'm gonna wait until, but it's like that. And then I have, like I said, more brushes. put that back in its container. So on TikTok, I seen someone say they got nail supplies off of Shein. And then, oh, and also on YouTube, I watched this Korean, I think she's remembered the name. But I seen her say she got some supplies off of Shein. So I ordered 21 items off of Shein. And they came in this big box here. One big item. So, okay. So, what's this? I don't even know. A saketo? Is this saketo? Let's open it. Oh, okay. So this is the lamp. This is the UV portable lamp. So I wanted to use this so when I do my designs, I don't have to put it underneath the lamps that I have. I can just, you know, do like the professional girlies. So I got me a lamp. Probably needs batteries. Let's see. And it's pink. Let's see. Yeah, it needs batteries. What batteries? It needs, that say AAA. Of course, it needs AAA batteries that I don't have. So I'm gonna have to get some AAA batteries. But that is this. Just like that. You can't tell I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, I got some chrome. I haven't used chrome like this before. Oh, this one broke up. That's okay. I haven't used chrome like this before, but you know, we're gonna have a video and we're gonna try it together. So I got chrome. I got some dust that you put on the nail to give it that little dust 3D kind of look. I got some more cute little color chrome. Let's see, what does it say? Nail glitter. I got nail glitter. That's what it is. This is I think this is they're more like little beads that you can put on there. And then this is nail glitter. I got more nail glitter. But these are more like foil nail glitters. And then I got some more cute little, okay, I'm gonna have to take it out. I wasn't trying to open all of this. I'm really excited. But look, it looks like this. So it's like little crystals. You can see. Let's see. There we go. So I got some of those. I feel like this is going to be, ooh, not you. Focus. There we go. I feel like this is going to be messy now. Oh, I got my little, instead of putting it on paper, I got a little stand that I can put on the nails, put the nail gel polish on here. So I got one, and I got another one. So this is it. I'm glad this looks really good. It feels really good too. It feels really sturdy. I got some black dust, like the white ones. These are jewels, butterfly. The butterfly, little butterfly jewels to put on there. I got bubbles. So I did really good with my bubbles. So, but I did get more bubbles just in case, like smaller ones. So we're gonna try these out. You know, they have the little bubble effect. So if you want bubbles and you don't really do good with bubbles, you can get them off of Shein. And all of this stuff was like less than $5, less than $3, most of this stuff. Oh, I got two of these. I got more tools. You can never have enough tools. But this one I've seen people using for like their seashell nails, because it has, I don't know, it has like a definition, a different type. And then this one I used to pick up the jewels. I got this one to pick up the jewels instead of having to put glue on my thing. More little cute little rhinestone glitters. And well, here's my other one. I got a pink one. So I have two of those. I got some bows. Cute little bows with some more like rhinestone glitter. There. Oh, and I got this so it's not messy, but I got like a little tray, and in this tray you like pour your glitter on there, like this one. You pour the glitter in the tray, and then you put the nail, and then you pour the glitter on the nail in the tray, so it doesn't make a big mess. So I got these too. And then I got more. I got mats now. So I have some pink mats that I can lay down and not continue to mess up my desk. So I got a pack of, I think a pack of 25 of these, or 50 of the pink mats. And I got colorful bubbles. These are cute. And then this one, actually, this one is, you can use it for, it says you can use it for like Aurora, and you can use it for other stuff, like applying stickers and stuff like that. So I got this tool off of there, and I got a lamp. So this is the only thing that I'm really disappointed about, because I thought it would be bigger than this. Did I look at the dimensions? I thought I did, but I thought it would be bigger. I thought it would be bigger than this. So this is a UV LED lamp. Comes with the plug, USB. It's bigger than the ones I have. It's bigger than the ones that I have. Okay, it's bigger than the ones I have. Let me put it down. Okay, I take that back. It's doing what it needs to be done, as in looking at it. So it has 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds, 24 watts to 48 watts, and it looks like this. And I am excited to use it. It has a USB port here, but I do have wall ports that I can use it for. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Shein, and I will try and link everything down below that I got. But yeah, I'm excited to use everything, to see how everything goes. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you made it all the way to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Check out all my other nail videos, lifestyle videos, and vlogs. And I'll see you in the next lovely video. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate all my supporters, all my lovely ladies, and all my new lovely ladies, or all my new lovely people. And I really appreciate you all, and I pray that you have a wonderful day. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.